Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will make this tiny cute little socks for decoration on your Christmas tree. And you will need scissor, darning needle, stitch marker, and I use 4.0mm crochet hook. And if you want to have the written pattern, you can check it on my Instagram account. To begin, we will do a magic ring. And chain 1 and do 6 single crochet inside the ring. And once you have done your 6 single crochet inside the ring, we will do a increase or 2 single crochet each of the chain for 12 single crochet. And once you have 12 single crochet, pull this tail of the yarn, and we will do again a 1 single crochet each of the chain for a total of 12 single crochet, and repeat 12 single crochet for 4 times. Once you have done your 4 rounds of 12 single crochet, we will count a 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And after 6 single crochet, chain 1 and go back 6 single crochet. And then chain 1 and go back again for 6 single crochet for equivalent of 3 rows of 6 single crochet. Once you have 3 rows of 6 single crochet, insert a hook on the first chain and on the other side of the chain across, and do a 3 single crochet. And once you have 3 single crochet, slip stitch again on the 3 single crochet, slip stitch and fold back again the row, and then we will do a single crochet each of the rows for a total of 10 single crochets around. And once you have 10 single crochet, you need to repeat 10 single crochet for 4 rounds of 10 single crochet. And we've made the 4 rounds of 10 single crochet. This is how it look like, and after that we will slip stitch on the next chain and cut the yarn. And just grab the tail on the next chain like this, and insert the tail inside and just hide it inside the socks. And now we will insert the white color. Just insert the tail and tie up on the first chain. And after you tie up the white yarn, we will do a 10 single crochet on each of the chain. Insert the hook on the same chain and then do a single crochet, and just do 9 single crochet on the following chains. And when we reach to the end, just do a single crochet on the first stitch that you did, and repeat one more round of 10 single crochet. Once done with 2 rounds of 10 single crochet, we will do a 2 single crochet each of the chain for 20 single crochet, and repeat for one more round. Once done, we will then slip stitch on the next chain and cut the yarn. And we're done. Please let me know in the comment below if you are enjoying watching this video, and see you again next time.